Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to extract audio from any video file using VLC Media Player. Whether you need a soundtrack for a project, a podcast snippet, or just want to save your favorite speech from a clip, you'll walk away from this video knowing exactly how to do it, quickly, easily, and for free. Let's get right into it. The very first thing you'll need is VLC Media Player. It's a fantastic open-source program that works on Windows, Mac, and even Linux. If you don't have it installed yet, don't worry. It's completely safe and free to download. Just hop over to www.videoland.org and grab the installer for your device. Once it's downloaded, run through the installation steps. It only takes a couple of minutes. When you launch VLC for the first time, you'll notice the clean interface. It's simple but powerful, and that's why we love it for tasks like this. Now that VLC is open, look up in the top left and click on Media. In that drop-down menu, you'll see Convert, Save. This is the gateway to turning your video files into different formats, including extracting audio. Click on that, and you'll get a window where you can always add the video you want to pull audio from. So, hit the Add button, and just browse for your video file. Maybe it's a funny clip from your phone or a movie scene you need the sound from. Once it's loaded in, glance down at the bottom right for the little arrow beside the Convert Save button. Click on it, and then choose Convert. It might look like a lot of options, but trust me, we're almost done. This next part is really key to making sure VLC gives you just the audio. In the Profile section, look for Audio CD. By picking this option, you're telling VLC you don't want any video, just the audio track, saved as a file on your computer. Now just below that, you'll notice the destination area. Hit Browse, and here's a tip. Rename your output file to something you'll recognize, like Interview Audio MP3. Choosing a clear name will save you time later, especially if you're extracting a bunch of audio files. Pick a location on your computer that's easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated project folder. Once you've set your file name and location, click Start. Now VLC will get to work, and this part might take a few moments depending on how long your video is. You won't see a lot of spinning wheels. It just quietly processes the extraction. So don't worry if it's not instant for larger files. When it's finished, go ahead and check the folder you saved to. You should see your new audio file right there, ready to play. You can listen to it in VLC itself, send it to a friend, or pop it into your editing software. And that's it. You've successfully extracted audio from a video file using VLC Media Player. It's a simple process, but surprisingly powerful. And once you've done it a couple times, you'll be able to repeat this for any audio you need. If you ran into any snags, or if VLC surprised you with confusing options, just drop your questions in the comments below. I'm always here to help. If this tutorial saved you some time, consider giving it a like and subscribing for more straightforward tech tips and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.